Some shovels are designed to push, some to scoop, and some to do both. Pushing shovels tend to have shorter, wider blades, while those designed to scoop have taller, narrower blades. Shovels designed more for lifting and throwing snow have shorter handles to get you closer to the load being lifted, while pushers have longer handles to get the blade out in front of you. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best snow shovel in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Urgy Shovel 18 inches. Push. The Urgy shovel might be easy to disregard, given its odd configuration. Its second handle, which allows you to shovel standing almost completely upright, may make it an attractive option if you deal with back pain. While that extra handle makes it awkward to store, it was easier to adapt to than we expected. The dual handles yield a heavier feel when lifting, and it isn't very great at pushing snow, but we really could shovel in a near fully upright position. We ended up throwing more shovelfuls of less material, spreading the same work over more time. Because of this, it took us 3 minutes 32 seconds to clear our test area, little more than half a minute longer than with the best performers in our test. Number 2. Garrett Yukon 18 inches. Ergonomic Snow Shovel. An aluminum shaft helps make Garrett's Yukon the lightest shovel in our test by over 1/4 pound. Combined with a curved, ergonomic shaft, it performed as well as any shovel we've tested, allowing us to shovel our test area in the second fastest time of 2 minutes, 56 seconds. The Yukon pushes easily, and we found the hand positioning worked well lifting and throwing heavy loads of snow. We noted the deep blade can hold a lot of powder, up to 16 pounds of it, and the flat angle allowed us to scoop it up without too much effort. Number 3. True Temper 18 inches. Aluminum Snow Shovel. The True Temper 18-inch aluminum snow shovel is similar to our gold metal pick, but it comes with the durability and strength of a metal blade. The aluminum material sliced through snow and sawdust well and, with the help of the steel wear strip, scraped up snowpack better than most other shovels in the test. The reinforced edge made it effective for breaking up and clearing icy patches on the driveway and patio, but its flat, sideless shovel doesn't allow for high-volume scoops of deep snow, one tester said. We found that especially true in drier powder, though we did appreciate that the low-friction surface prevented snow buildup. Number 4. Lifeline Aluminum Sport Utility Shovel. With its collapsible design in which it breaks down into 3 compact sections, this shovel is easy to stash in your car or anywhere else where you want to keep it handy. But it's small enough that we didn't have any trouble leaving it assembled. The telescoping handle easily adjusts between 2 heights, and we like the longer 32.25-inch setting. With the small blade, it took us a while to move our snow, but it's an ideal size for emergencies on the road. The Sport Utility comes in several colors, but don't count on the paint to stick around. We noticed it scuffs easily. Number 5. Jandem Enterprises Snowplow 36 inches. Given its massive size, we expected the snowplow to cruise through our tests. Like all pushers, it's best used in dry, light powder. We had trouble moving the denser snow and sawdust, but, in the right conditions, this is a tool that can clear driveways and other large spaces with ease and efficiency. One tester reported it basically clears his sidewalk in one swoop. The size of the snow pusher blade is one thing, but the shovel's extra strong construction is another. The snowplow sports a fiberglass handle, a reinforced handle-to-blade connector system, and a blade made with ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene. This non-abrasive material helps protect decks, pavers, and other surfaces. That was our list of the top 5 best snow shovel in 2023 just for you.